Rhode Island Reds are friendly, docile, and all in all, they're pretty sociable birds. The roosters can be territorial from time to time. But this one here, he's pretty sweet. They're pretty cold and heat tolerant. They work good in outdoor environments, in an open range or in a backyard environment. They lay somewhere between 250 and 300 eggs per year. They're usually a large brown egg. I don't have one to show you today, but obviously the rooster didn't lay an egg. But there are different types of heritage breed. They are a heritage breed, but there are different types of heritage breeds for Rhode Island Reds. There are production heritage, and then there are true heritage. The true heritage breeds are more rare, and they're on a watch list. So if you get a chance to get one of those and to take care of them and raise one of those and help the population out, then I would encourage you to do so. But Rhode Island Reds, they're good, roundabout, all in all, good birds to have around. So, interesting fact: the character Ginger from Chicken Run was a Rhode Island Red.